the concept of third law of indices. If A and B are two non-zero real numbers and m is a rational number, then A into B to the power of m is equals to A power m into B power m, and A by B to the power of m is equals to A power m divided by B power m. Let us see that A into B to the power of m. So, we know from the basic the concept of A power m, this is nothing but product of AB m times A into B multiply by A into B multiply how many times? M times. In this one, then each number can be separated. This is A into B multiply by A into B and so on m times. Here A is multiplied m times, B also multiplied m times. So, I can make it separate as A into and so on m times, then multiply by B multiply by B multiply by and so on m times. So, that the first one is A to the power of m, second one is B power m, and therefore, A B to the power of m can be written as A power m into B power m. Okay, as an example, I consider here. Okay, so 5 into 4 taken whole cube can be written it as nothing but it is 20 to the power of 3. That can also be written as so 5 into 4 multiply by 5 into 4 multiply by 5 into 4. That can be written as 5 into 5 3 times and then multiply by 4 into 4. That is equals to 5 cube multiply by 4 cube, right. At the same time, if I have A by B to the power of m, then this can be written as A by B into A by B and so on m times, and that is equals to A into and so on m times divided by B into and so on m times, and that is equals to A to the power of m divided by B power m. Clear? Right. If I have 7 divided by 2 taken whole cube as an example, then I say 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 can be written as 7 into 7 divided by 2 into 2. That is equals to 7 cube divided by 2 cube. Clear?